Have you ever wondered how inheritance works in JavaScript using ES6 class syntax? Perhaps you've been learning JavaScript and found yourself puzzled by the concept. Well, sit back, relax, and allow us to clarify this for you. Inheritance in JavaScript using ES6 class syntax is a fantastic concept that allows us to create hierarchical relationships between classes. It's all about parent and child classes, with the child inheriting properties and methods from the parent. Let's begin with class declarations. In ES6, we use the class keyword to declare a new class. This declaration involves naming the class and defining its body, which includes methods and properties. For example, consider a class named Animal. This class might have properties like name and methods like speak. Next up is the constructor method, a unique method called whenever a new instance of the class is created. The constructor method is where we initialize our object properties. Now we get to the heart of inheritance, class inheritance. By using the extends keyword, we can create a subclass, also known as a child class, which inherits from another class, known as the parent class. This means the subclass inherits all properties and methods from the parent class. Let's consider a subclass named Dog that extends our animal class. This subclass not only inherits the properties and methods from Animal, but can also have its own unique properties and methods. Within the constructor of our subclass, we use the super keyword. This keyword is used to call the constructor of the parent class, which is crucial for initializing properties defined in the parent class. The beauty of subclasses is their ability to override methods defined in the parent class. This is known as method overriding. It means that if a method is called on an instance of the subclass, JavaScript will first check if the method exists in the subclass. If it doesn't find it there, it looks for the method in the parent class. So as a recap, inheritance in JavaScript using ES6 class syntax involves class declarations, constructor methods, class inheritance, the super keyword, and method overriding. It's a powerful way to create hierarchical relationships between classes, allowing for code reusability and organization. Remember, the child class inherits all properties and methods from its parent, but it can also have its own unique properties and methods, and can override methods from the parent class. With these concepts in your toolkit, you're well on your way to mastering JavaScript inheritance. Happy coding!